if I'm going to round to the nearest thousand, which place is the thousands place? Which number is there?
1.
The 1. So Cinderella would be our 1. Fairy godmother would be the 5. Alright, does the fairy godmother have enough power? Yes. So Cinderella changes to a 2. And then, poof, they all turn to zeros. And I get 2,000. Right.
Every time I do it, like if we do 1,000 or something like that, like if I do the nearest 1,000 and those other numbers don't count.
What others don't count?
Like 69.
Nope. These numbers, you don't even look at those.
Aren't those the helpers?
They're the helpers, but they really don't do anything, right? The only number we really need to look at is the one right next door to Cinderella. Okay? The other ones, you don't even worry about them.
I wonder why that.
Okay? Alright, so let's look at 3,246. Who is Cinderella?
3.
3. Who's the fairy godmother?
2.
Does she have enough power?
No.
No. And 3,000.
Hey, look.
Okay.
Why does the helpers have enough? Somebody's worried.
Why don't you go ahead, answer these two?
What?
4,702, 4,981. Round to the nearest thousand. 4,702, 4,981. Make sure you put your commas in the correct place. Okay.
Can we check?
You look at what I did. Did you get the same things I did?
Yes.
What do you notice? What about 4,702 and 4,981? What happens to both these numbers?
They both have the same.
They both round
The 5,000.
to 5,000 because
The 4 and the 7.
the 4 is in the same place value. The 9 and the 7 are both close enough to going to 5,000. Okay? Let's talk about real quick. When we have a number, where do I put the comma in? Just so that I know. How do I figure it out?
How do you figure it out?
Where does the comma go?
After the set.
Why after the 7?
Because,
DJ?
Because how you pronounce it is like 500 instead of 1,000.
So how would I pronounce this number?
57,000.
57,342. Remember when we drew our houses?
Yes.
yeah.
In our apartment. What separated the two apartment buildings was the comma. So in between the two apartment buildings is where you need to put your comma. You also could count over. Start at the 1, count over 1, 2,
Okay, you don't
I
really
can keep going. 1, 2, and if there's another number here and here, 3, comma. So after every 3, we put a comma. It's in each house. So look, 1 tens hundreds, 1 tens hundreds. After each house, we put in a comma.
like he goes up.